What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to do a super quick Walmart in the dressing room haul. I had to do a voiceover because there's music playing and we don't do copyright. So this first piece here is Time and True. It is an XXL coming into the next piece, which is also Time and True and an XXXL. These are junior plus sizes and I am just shocked to be in them. Most of these pieces I would have needed an XXL. Well, at least the first two. But really cute. Next, we have another Time and True dress. This one is like a t-shirt dress. We have a crew neck, tiered, super stretchy, super cute, comes in lots of colors. This next one here is a tank style dress. Don't love the fabric on this one just because it's clinging to everything, but this comes in so many colors and this dress is like $8. Super duper stretchy, just not loving the tummy area, but she cute or whatever. This piece came home with me. This is no boundaries. It's just a super cute baby doll mini dress. This one I was able to get a size XXL. Girl, when I picked this dress up off the rack and she fit, I was like, what? This one is an XXXL, also Time and True. Beautiful. Comes in another color that was so stunning, but I don't love the fabric because she don't like my belly welly, but she's still cute. I still can't believe I got these on. This one is also Time and True, and it is a 3XL. I think that's a size 20 in their junior plus sizes. Not too sure. This one is the same size. I really liked this one looking at it on the rack, but once I got it on my body, I would like it if the bust wasn't too big and I didn't have to rock shapewear with it. So yeah, we're back in my clothes. I started to say goodbye. Then I went out to the shoe area and saw these really cute Rick and Morty slippers. And I just kind of started to browse around at these shoes. Oh, I didn't show you guys the super cute slippers I got. I will insert a picture somewhere, but these vintage tennies, girl, how cute are these? I love them. They take me back to the 70s, even though I'm an 80s baby. So then we get over to these clogs. Girl, them brown chunky heel clogs. Oh, those are cute. Then we step around the corner here in just a second and look at these cute mules. For those of my girls still working in the office setting, those are for you. Tell me these bags do not give Ralph Lauren. They are US Polo Association. They're good quality and they have many, many styles. As y'all will see in just a moment here, I was obviously feeling the barrel style. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it's so short. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.